It's on.
Hey guys, it's me, and today I have a new cameraman. Her name is, I don't want to say her name because she's not even allowed to be on YouTube because her parents said so. But today I'm going to be showing you and telling you. It's like show and tell, but with all my slimes that I've made here in the past day, because I only got glue and borax last night, so. See?
That's mine, which I colored blue.
Okay. So, let's start. Let's get straight in, because I don't want this intro to be too long. But point it down at the slime. First, this is
Rainy day.
say it.
Rainy day.
And
Tell some things about it. Say it's moist.
it's very moist and nice, but when it gets sort of unmoist, take your borax water solution and put some on.
And there's also a bottle for me over there off camera a little.
This is hers. So yeah, the more borax you add, the better it pokes, but the less, it's actually getting a bit more stretchy.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Cool.
that is, say it.
Rainy day.
This is
Marshmallow.
This one is,
Marshmallow fluff.
and it's also my friend's, but not hers, a different friend.
Yep. And you could say the friend of the day. You know.
Yeah, I can say her name. Her name is Lindsay. Lindsay, you're amazing. Because you're getting me a pig plushie and 4 bottles of glue and some glitter. Thank you.
And also Lola might make me another batch of slime.
Yes, I might. This one's really stretchy and good poking too. And its name is,
Marshmallow fluff.
so that's Marshmallow Fluff. Or that's what I call it. She can name it whatever she wants. This one's name is Fog but I used clear glue for this.
Cool.
But it's not clear yet because I still have to let it set in its container stretch.
It's also very pretty.
It's very good at poking. And it stretches super well.
Yeah. Wow, that's big.
It got super long. Like I was standing up and it dropped down to the ground earlier.
That's so cool. Go, Lola, go, Lola. This is your compliment.
And me and my friend that's behind the camera have a new club. Its name is the Slime Club. Right?
Right.
And it's just me and her. And we love slime. So yeah, this one's also really good for poking.
Yeah.
So next one is
Da 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 da. Its name is Slime.
Its name is
Cloud.
And Cloud is super fun, pokeable, and stretchable too. Poop, sorry. Whatever.
And also Cloud is very fluffy. In fact.
It's fluffy, but I don't know why. Just is.
And she used clear glue for that one.
No, I use white glue for this one.
Oh, yeah.
So now I'm going to scooch all my slimes back to the correct home. Right where they going to be using this one to make it more moist. So what I do, if my slime is not moist enough, is I take a half of a teaspoon, fill it with
Or you can just drop it on the slime.
my solution, or I just do that sometimes too. But a half of a teaspoon is enough.
And you use it if it does. You use it.
If you like don't like how stretchy it is, or something like that,
You can use it.
you can use it.
And it also makes it slimy,
Yes.
which is very thrilling. And shiny.
Okay. Okay, now I'm not gonna add any Lindsay's, but I will add some to my clear one.
What's wrong, Lola?
Nothing.
Oh.
So sometimes I just make a hole and add like 2 little drops.
That makes a lot of noise. It's
What?
kind of the slime when you put stuff in it and do that.
This?
I can hear it from over here.
Okay. And before you start kneading, you want to dry off your hands so it's easier to knead it all together. So guys, how you make your borax solution is you want to take 1 cup of warm water. Just pretend like this is warm water and put it into your cup or something or whatever you want to mix it in. I use a glue bottle. That was a real fart. No, just kidding, guys. It was just my slime. And then you want to take, so you need 1 cup of water. Pretend like this is water. And it has to be warm water or else it won't work. And then you need a half of a teaspoon of 20 mule team borax. It doesn't have to be the 20 mule team. It can be whichever brand you want. I just like 20 mule team, and that's the only one I could find at my local grocery store.
What's your local grocery store?
Walmart.
Dun 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 dun.
Done.
That's where the cleanest slime goes.
And this is actually detergent booster. And then if you're using a glue bottle, then you'll want to make sure the lid's closed tightly and shake it up.
Yep.
Oh. And then if you're mixing it in a cup, then you'll want a spoon. And you want to go. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you later. Bye.
How do I get it off?